So moving on from vendor invoices, one thing I would like to mention is that business partners are created at cluster level and they can be overridden, their settings can be overridden at company level. So for example, Amir and Ajay, they are at cluster level. If there are more companies in this cluster, these business partners will be available in those companies. And if there's any specific setting for one or two particular companies, then we can override that setting at that company level. And same applies for items. The items that we have configured them at cluster level, cluster wide, and we have specified the tax rate for India, and we can override any of these settings in company. So we select the Mumbai company and we can change if, say, our purchase price or sale price is different, or we post to some different account for any reason, then we can specify this. We can also deactivate an item in a company, then other companies will be able to buy or sell that item, but the company where it is deactivated, it will not be available for sale or purchase. Now going to our sales side. So we purchased some laptops, purchased some mobiles. Let's do a sale. For a sale, we don't have any customer invoice now, so let's issue one. So this is sales, of course. Let's select our customer. So we configured Amir as a customer. We cannot select Ajay laptops because we had configured him as only a supplier, so he will not be available for selection as a customer. So it has selected as region class as state because customer is in the same state as us. We can add, let's say we sell some laptops to Amir. So let's say we sell 5 laptops. The sale price that we had selected is already populated, and you can see the text is already populated because it is a pre-configured item. So it saves a lot of time to configure the commonly bought and sold items in your items catalog and let system do the hard work for you, do all the calculations. So here we created a customer invoice 1, and I'm going to issue it. I have an option to void this invoice if I no longer want to go, or if I press issue, it will be posted to debits to our general ledger as debits and credits. Now again, let's say Amir wanted only 4, not 5, so we can issue a credit note as a correction in invoice. Now we are in credit note and it is currently in draft state. We can review the lines, we can change the quantity. He's not returning all 5, he's only returning 1, so we specify 1 here and we save this line. So this is the adjustment on this credit note. We are going to issue it today as well. Going back to our invoices, we had the original invoice for this amount and then a credit note of this amount, and this is the net receivables from Amir.